Welcome back, friends. We're going to read See How I Feel. It's the middle finger. Feel. And it is a baby Einstein book. Very cute. So we're going to learn days of the week and feelings in this one. Okay. So our first page, it says, on Sunday, Vincent felt happy. He played all day long with his best friend, Paul, okay? He played all day long with his best friend, Paul. This is a really cute little book because it has a mirror to look into, if you can find it. On Monday, here's our picture. Oh, sorry, my finger's in the way. On Monday, Vincent painted a picture of his friend, the postman. So we're going to make the letter M and then flip it inwards and then do a little circle. On Monday, Vincent painted a picture of his friend, the postman. The postman wore a crisp blue uniform. Vincent felt proud of his beautiful picture. Proud of his beautiful picture. Oh no. On Tuesday, you make the letter T, flip it in, Tuesday, just like on Monday there. On Tuesday, Vincent felt sad. Show a sad face. He had lost his favorite hat. Oh no. See, it's interactive at the bottom. It says, what do you look like when you are sad? On Wednesday, W, turn it inwards. On Wednesday, Vincent felt silly. He made funny faces with his brother, Theo, and they laughed and laughed and laughed. The letter L, it's inward, laughed. To show your laugh lines. Oh, can you make a silly face? Oh, on Thursday, so we've already used the letter T, so we'll use the H. On Thursday, Vincent felt angry. You know how you're like crinkling your eyebrows? He wanted to play outside with Paul, his best friend, remember? But it was raining. And he couldn't go outside. Poor little guy. He's looking out the window. Do you have an angry expression? Okay, on Friday, let's make the letter F, turn it in. Friday. On Friday, Vincent was excited. So we had a lot of feelings. So we're using both the hands for that. One feeling, I'm feeling excited. Lots of feelings. Let's see why he was excited. His favorite field of sunflowers, you smell the flowers, bloomed like a sea of yellow. There it is. Sorry, the light's kind of catching it. Vincent couldn't wait to paint a picture of sunflowers. Can you make an excited, oh, I'm gonna put the book down, excited face like Vincent? On Saturday, the letter S, on Saturday, Vincent had a sleepover. There it is. Cute. Vincent had a sleepover at his grandma's house. He stayed up late and he felt tired. You know that feeling. He looked out at the starry night, at the stars, the starry night, and yawned. Oh, can you yawn like sleepy Vincent? Good night. And I believe, friends, that is the end. Great job today.